Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common frustration. Your iPhone or Android screen turning off automatically, interrupting what you're doing. Whether you're reading an article, following a recipe, or just browsing, it's annoying when the screen goes dark. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to stop this on both iPhone and Android devices for 2025 models. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with iPhone. This feature is all about the auto lock setting, which controls how quickly your screen dims and locks. To change it, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Then, look for Auto Lock. That's the key. You'll see options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, up to 5 minutes, or Never. If you select Never, your screen won't turn off automatically, but remember, this can drain your battery faster, so use it wisely. For iOS 19 in 2025, you might also find an energy-saving toggle here to balance things out. Now, switching to Android. The process is similar but varies slightly by manufacturer like Samsung, Google, or OnePlus. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Display or Display and Brightness. It might be under a different name depending on your device. Look for Screen Timeout or Sleep. Here, you can adjust the time before the screen turns off, from 15 seconds up to 30 minutes or even Never on some models. For example, on a Google Pixel with Android 16, it's straightforward. Tap Screen Timeout and select your preferred duration. If you're on a Samsung device, you might need to go into Advanced Features or directly under Display to find it. One quick tip. After making these changes, test it out by leaving your screen on for a while. Also, keep an eye on your battery life. Setting it to never turn off is convenient but could lead to faster drain, especially in 2025 with all the new AI features. If you're concerned, enable battery saver mode as a backup. There you have it, you've now mastered keeping your screen alive on both iPhone and Android. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.